Hello again. I'm here to introduce you to another math resource that may help and assist you in when tutoring with your child. Again, you'll notice I'm starting here on the redokeisd.org homepage. Okay, and so from this homepage, you're actually going to click on Parents this time. So click on the Parents tab, and then you'll come over here where it says Online Resources. It's over here on the left-hand side. That should bring you to this screen. Now, down here, you'll recognize some of these. First in math, your child is using already. Think Through Math, your child's using. iStation, your child is probably already using. So these are three programs we've already introduced you to that your child should already be using to help support them in their learning. Okay? The ones I want to show you now are these three down here: PowerBits, SmartBits, and Online Student Tutorials. Okay? All three of these links take you to short tutorial sessions on different content. So for example, if I click on PowerBits, okay, PowerBits has different tutorials on the areas of mathematics, science, and social studies. So I can click here on View Items for Mathematics. And so then here it breaks it down by topic. So you can get some support on how to do fractions, how to do ratios and proportions, how to do the Pythagorean theorem. So each one of these is going to take you to a short video clip on whatever that topic is. And so you just simply play it in your browser. Okay. And so you can close the ads, but okay, so you can see how that takes you to in this example tutorial on how to do the basics of Pythagorean theorem. Now, again, you don't have every math topic here and for every possible grade level, but these are some of the core areas in mathematics where often students struggle, so this may help your child if these are areas that you know that they're struggling with. Okay, then the next one, very similar, SmartBits, made by the same people. SmartBits has another list of videos over other math concepts besides the ones you just saw on that last site. So you have a few more here that you can choose from and watch video clips on those concepts as well. This one only has the math and the science. There's not much in the science right now, just a metamorphosis of insects and amphibians. But I think they're working to add more as time progresses. But right now there's quite a few here in the math section you can take a look at. Okay, our final resource down here is the Online Student Tutorials. Now this one's a little bit more interactive than just watching a video. If you click on this one, it also has the different subject areas to choose different topics from. You have your science, your English, your math, your social studies. So depending on where you're trying to get support. These are kind of done in what we call units. And so you have a unit here on 2D measurement to help your child understand how to do measurement in customary units or metric units. And also how to find the area of objects, how to find the surface area of objects. Okay, and then you have a unit here on how to find volume of three-dimensional objects. Okay, and then a few others. You have problem-solving method, how to do problem-solving on a word problem. Again, on a Pythagorean theorem, ratios and proportions, and fractions. All right, all challenging topics for our kiddos. And so you just simply click on the one you're interested in learning more about. Okay, and then it takes you to the main page for that, and you can just click here where it says tutorial. This gives you a little description of what you're going to learn about in this tutorial. And if your pop-up blocker is turned on, it'll ask you to turn your pop-up blocker off in order to activate this tutorial session. I've already turned mine off, so it went straight to it. It's going to ask what your bandwidth is like. If you have high-speed internet, then you can leave it on high. If you're using a slower internet, you may want to change it to low, as it may run a little bit smoother if you do it that way. And then of course you have the option of English or Spanish. Now, once in here, the unit is broken into slides. Sorry, 1 second here. Let me pause that. All right, so it's set up kind of like a video presentation like the others are. However, there's a little bit more to it. If you come over here to the menu, this is kind of like the table of contents of a book or a CD. So you have your table of contents here. These are all the things they're going to go over. You notice there's 25 different slides. Each slide has a different piece to the presentation. And these are the topics they're going to cover on each of those slides. Now, anywhere you see a check for understanding, there's going to be questions to kind of see if you're getting what it is you've been learning in the videos. So you can get a few sample questions on what it is you've been learning about. And so at the end of the presentation, you have a summary and a conclusion and a final review over what you learned about. Okay, so that's a little bit more than what the others were offering, whereas they were just videos. Sorry. You also have CC for closed captions. You can adjust your volume, of course. You also have this over here, the full transcript, where they give you a written form of what's the dialogue is in the video, if that helps you to have that printed out and follow along with. Okay? Alright, so kind of an interactive tutorial session is one way to think of it. And again, it's more than just math. You can look at it if you need some support in your math or English or social studies as well. So I hope you find these tools and resources beneficial for both you and your child in helping them to understand more challenging and difficult concepts. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact or email me, and I'll be happy to support you in any way I can. Thank you.